Hey, how are you? All right, so today we're going to talk some more about like terms. I have a few more different kinds. We're going to keep building them up, how we kind of solve them piece by piece, okay? So today we're going to look at two different kinds where we have something along with the distributive property. And then if we have multiple variables, meaning we have x's and y's and numbers, stuff like that, all right? Let me adjust this. What I see is usually smaller than what is actually videotaped, so it's kind of hard to make sure I'm getting everything. All right, so let's do our first example. If we have something added on to our distributive property. So say I have 4 times x plus 3 minus 2. So this minus 2 is out here, it's outside of the parentheses. So what we're going to do first is our distributive property. If you ever have parentheses, we always take care of those first. And generally, that means the distributive property. So the first thing we do, multiply 4 into both variables. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, then we take this right here, we bring it down, minus 2. Okay, so now that we've done that, now we can combine like terms. The only two terms that we have are these two numbers right here. So we have 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. And now we just bring down this 4x, and we get our final answer, 4x plus 10. So first thing, distributive property, then we can add in anything outside of that, then we simplify. Okay? Don't forget, notes will be right below this video for you. All right, the next kind I'm going to show you real quick is if you have multiple variables. So say I have 3x plus 4y plus 2x minus y minus 5. Let me grab another marker real quick. Got it. All right, so if it helps you, you can collect like terms first, meaning you're not going to do like I do and just add them up in your head as you move down the line, right? We're going to actually collect them and rewrite this so that they're next to each other. So first I'm going to look at x's. I have a 3x and a 2x. So I'm going to write them next to each other. So there's a plus here, so there's a plus here, okay? Then I have a positive 4y and a minus y. Whenever you see minus a letter, that means one of them, okay? So here we would have plus 4y minus y. And then the last one we have here is this 5. Sorry, the red's not showing up real nicely up here for you. I need to get better markers. So that minus 5 just tags along because there's nothing that it's going to be combined with, okay? Now we can simplify. So 3x plus 2x, that gives us 5x. 4y minus y, so 4y minus 1y would give us 3y. And then minus 5 doesn't have anything to attach to, so it just tags along. It's here for the fun. It's ready to party. And there's the party, 5x plus 3y minus 5. Okay, so we can't combine letters. If you have different letters, they have to stay with themselves. It's like apples and oranges. If I'm making a cherry pie and I only have 4 cherries, I can't substitute apples for cherries because then I'd really have an apple pie, right? Moving on, let's look at a combination of all of this. Let's say I have, are you ready for this one? This one's a doozy. Let's say I have 4 times 2x plus 3, woo, a distributive property, marker to show, minus 2 times 5 plus 3y, okay? Now, it's okay that there are more than 2 parentheses here. We're going to take care of both of them, okay? So this 4 here, it's going to go to this right here, this 2x plus 3. And this minus 2, we're going to put into 5 plus 3y, okay? So that's going to be our first step. And take 4, multiply it in. 4 times 2x will give us 8x. 4 times 3 is 12. Now I have minus 2 times 5. Minus 2 times 5 gives us minus 10, okay? Those are those, you know, 1 negative and a positive gives you a negative, 2 negatives gives you a positive, 2 positives give you a positive. Then we also have minus 2 times 3y. Minus 2 times 3 gives us minus 6, and then that y tags along there. Okay, now in this one, the only part that we have to simplify is these numbers right here, this 12 minus 10. So 8x, it just tags along, doesn't have anywhere else to be. 12 minus 10 is 2. Minus 6y, again, doesn't have anything to combine to, so it just tags along. It's happy to be here, okay? All right, go try the assignment. If you have questions, let me know. I can hop on a Zoom call with you. We'll figure it out. All right, good luck.